Pet parents, did you know as many as 1 in 5 adult dogs develop osteoarthritis, a condition that can often be managed early to keep them comfortable and moving? Chances are, if your knees or back are aching this fall and winter, your pet's joints probably do too. Their joints are no different than ours. And in this video, we're breaking down the difference between injury and arthritis, why cold weather makes it worse, and how to help your pet stay more comfortable this fall and winter. So how can you tell if your dog's limp is from an injury or arthritis? Well, an acute or a fast onset injury usually happens suddenly. You might notice your pet, hold up a leg or limp after running or jumping, and it tends to affect one leg, and you might see swelling, heat, or tenderness. You can generally compare the affected leg to a good leg and check for warmth, puffiness, or if your dog reacts when you touch a specific spot to see if there is difference. You'll often see stiffness after rest, hesitation to climb stairs or jump, or even limping. Arthritis often affects multiple joints like hips, knees, or elbows, and once your dog warms up, they may move a bit better. In contrast though, with an acute or a fast injury, the limp usually doesn't improve with movement. So osteoarthritis develops because as pets age, the cartilage that cushions their joints gradually wears down, kind of like how the tread or cushion on your favorite shoes gets thinner over time. And well, there's no definitive age when arthritis starts, and the clinical signs are vague, but here are a few things to watch out for. Stiffness or limping, which can generally improve with movement, difficulty jumping or climbing stairs, and changes in temperament or activity with decrease in play, less grooming, or sleeping more. Cold weather can make symptoms worse because it slows down blood flow and thickens the joint fluid, making these joints ache. But gentle movement improves that circulation, which helps loosen those stiff joints. Large breeds like Labs, Goldens, Shepherds, and Rotties are more prone to arthritis, especially if they have hip or elbow dysplasia. Small breeds can be affected too, particularly with their back hind knees or with a previous injury as well. Knee injury, such as a cranial cruciate tear, which is the dog equivalent of an ACL in humans, increases the likelihood of a later joint problem. Every pet is unique, with their size, breed, activity level, and past health all influence how arthritis develops. And cats can develop arthritis too, and they're masters at hiding discomfort. So watch for the same signs like decreased jumping, less grooming, slower movement, or changes in behavior such as sleeping, even more than they usually do. So here's a few tips to help keep your pet more comfortable this fall and winter. Keep them at a healthy weight. Every extra pound stresses those joints, and even a modest weight loss can dramatically reduce that pain. Take shorter, gentle walks and let them warm up slowly. Keep them warm and use soft bedding, and keep floors slip-free and away from drafty windows and doors. The warmth can help ease those stiff joints, but be mindful, human heating pads can be dangerous. I've treated pets with burns from them before. It's painful and just adds insult to injury for an already achy pet. There are pet-safe heating pads made specifically for animals that control temperature and prevent those burns. You can encourage muscle strength through gentle play and controlled exercise with walks to help support muscles around those joints and reduce some of that strain. Joint supplements like glucosamine, chondroitin, omega-3s can help support joint function, especially if started young, but they won't necessarily cure or prevent arthritis altogether. And it's also natural to want to give your pet human pain medications when you see them stiff or uncomfortable, but most are toxic and will make your pet very sick, often leading to higher veterinary bills. Your veterinarian can guide you on treatments to ease stiffness and pain, and will advise on the use of safe NSAIDs or other approved pain medications. So, attentive care and early recognition make a huge difference for your pet's comfort, mobility, and quality of life. With the right management, even older dogs and cats can enjoy play and walks again. And don't brush off that stiffness. Slowing down or increased sleeping is just old age. With the right care, even senior pets can get a spark of their younger selves back. Your veterinarian can help make winter and every season more comfortable for your furry friend. So follow for more pet tips straight from a vet, because knowing your animal starts with